Welcome back to the channel, Manny B Investing. We've got a GeroWallet update here. Tweet today, we're integrating with Credefi Finance. Credefi connects crypto lenders to real-world SME borrowers in a symbiotic manner that benefits both parties. Through our partnership, our community will be able to access Credefi natively through GeroWallet. And that's cool, man. Being able to use your wallet just right on your mobile app, right on your mobile phone, whether it be iOS or Android, to be able to DeFi right on the spot, right there, anytime, anywhere. This is going to be a game changer. Right now, these apps are like Charles Hoskinson said on his last few lives. A lot of these apps that exist just are not. They're not the experience that most people are used to. I mean, we're coming from a mobile world with apps for everything, and then you come to this space, and these apps really are lacking. It is great to see that we have a new generation of developers, new blockchains that don't, devour all your money in fees, and they're really looking to create that wholesome, normal app feeling with a new interface, really pleasing aesthetically. That's why I'm a really big fan of GeroWallet. They're doing a lot of things that other groups, projects just aren't even really thinking about right now. A lot of these projects are looking to just capture money, lock value. They're not really putting a lot of effort into the user experience, and this project does just that. Let's take a look at the announcement. Credefi aims to liberalize the banking sector by becoming the centralized financial gateway that connects lenders in the crypto space to real-world small and medium enterprise borrowers. Decentralized finance remains to be one of the most significant breakthroughs in blockchain recently, but it is still plagued with the volatility of crypto assets. So what they're talking about here is DeFi is a thing. DeFi is really exciting. It's going to, in my opinion, is going to take over the central banking system. It's going to bring a lot of youth. It's going to bring a lot of new companies away from that old gateway of finance. It's funded by a lot of people. There's no central authority. There's no CEO somewhere in an office saying, no, this business can't start because I don't feel good today. Like that is gone. But the problem is the industry is still pegged to the volatility of the crypto market itself. And that's one of the big problems that exists today. A lot of projects are out there looking to solve that problem, and it's going to take some time, but I'm still very excited about this. So the yield generated in DeFi is calculated from total value locked, TVL. This makes it highly correlated to market sentiment. Returns are healthy in the bull market, but run dry in a declining market. Historically, SMEs are also underserved by traditional banking sector and are forced to borrow at high interest rates. Isn't that what we just talked about? This has forced SMEs to seek alternative funding sources like crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending. By providing credit-worthy SME borrowers with reliable lenders, Credefi is able to serve the needs of both communities. The platform will be developed in 3 stages. The first stage will allow passive lending of stablecoins to credit portfolios of varying risk and return profiles based on individual preference. Lenders will also have access to credit score information and risk assessment to make an informed decision in their investment. In the second stage, Credefi will enable direct peer-to-peer finance by connecting interested parties. In the third and final stage, Credefi will add trade finance to its list of service offerings. This not only enables lenders and borrowers to engage in cross-border credit deals, but also underwrite letters of credit and factoring services. So, I mean, this is becoming more and more like a bank. It is offering bank services, and they're trying to reduce the the problem that we have with good market, high liquidity, low interest rates, good performance. Down market, the opposite. Lenders on Credefi will be protected by a 3-layer security system that will include a proprietary in-house credit scoring system, crypto real-world asset collateralization, and Module X, Credefi's security module. The platform has also formed a strategic partnership with an EU licensed financial institution to manage real-world assets, as well as Lithium Finance to serve as an oracle for on-chain validation of asset value. So they're using an oracle. Haven't heard of them, but yeah, they're going to oracle and pull in data, real data for assets values. So that is interesting. Credefi addresses key challenges in the traditional finance and presents a decentralized solution that benefits both lenders and borrowers. This is very much in line with our goal as a project to bridge the gap between TradeFi and DeFi. And TradeFi is just traditional finance, and DeFi is decentralized finance. Our team is excited about this collaboration and look forward to bringing decentralized banking and financial services to individual and commercial GeroWallet users. So we get to actually use these services right from the GeroWallet. That's crazy. And they said it's for small business, medium business, and actual Gero commercial and individual GeroWallet users. So that right there is what is interesting me. How could I benefit from this? I don't know. Maybe oh, I need a small, a person would be like, oh, I need a small loan to pay, these bills. I've got some crypto. Maybe I can leverage that and, get a loan or get crowdfunded. Say, oh, I'm building this platform. Maybe, I want to take advantage of that and maybe, get involved and maybe get a crowdfunded, get crowdfunded liquidity or something like that. Maybe there's an angel investor that can, fund projects or things of that nature. I think this is really cool. It just exposes a lot more people to finance or access to liquidity that in the past or in traditional finance, they would never be considered. Or if they were, they would have to, dox like crazy, probably even give, hints at trade secrets just to get a low loan for high interest. Like the traditional finance world is just not, it just doesn't work. So this is why these options are being built. And this is why the space is growing the way it is. So that is pretty cool. We'll throw this in the GeroWallet playlist. If you're interested in this content, make sure you follow that playlist, and I'll keep the videos coming as the news stories come out. But yeah, very exciting news. So hopefully this materializes into something that us as individuals can utilize at some point. So thank you for checking out the video. Hit that like, share, and we'll see you on the next one.